Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. So, continuing on with my all rose wedding little saga that I got going here, I'm going to be making a kissing ball. So, the kissing ball you can use as decoration, or you could have the flower girl carry it down the aisle, or you could even have them for bridesmaids' bouquets. But they're real easy to make. I'm just taking a bit of styrofoam, and then this is for artificial flowers, the styrofoam. If you're doing fresh flowers, you can use the Oasis form and cut it down in the same way. If you do use the wet Oasis, I would probably add one more chenille stem on the outside, just kind of crisscrossing it like a package to make sure that the foam stays together. Just helps it keep it together from falling apart. They do make fresh floral foam little kind of half cylinders too that would also work. But I did add the artificial stems underneath the chenille stem or the pipe cleaner that I use to hold the handle, just to keep from cutting through the foam itself. Because if you were to crank it down really tight, I could have cranked it down all the way and it would have just divided the foam in half. So we're just trying to keep it from cutting apart. And then I'm just making a circle, a sphere. So I'm trying to keep all of the roses cut down to the same size, the same depth, and I'm just gonna work them all in all the way around my foam, filling it in, just trying to make that perfect circle. If you didn't want it quite as big, you could cut the foam down a bit more. It'll use less flowers. Um, or if you want it bigger, you could do the opposite and cut it a little bit bigger, and then you got a few more flowers. This is very similar to the same heart-shaped arrangement I did back in February, only I'm just making it in a circle rather than a shape of a heart. So, and then this one you can see from all around. For the handle itself, I did use that chenille stem because it is very tempting to just swing around the ball of flowers. So to help keep it nice and sturdy, that is why I wired down the handle. If you didn't want to wire the handle, you could just take kind of a wood pick and hot glue it down into the foam itself. But this keeps it a little bit more secure. And then I just filled it in with some of the hot pink. I still think it's freesia. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching.